Hey everyone, this is Dr. Kaneda. Here I am going to talk about some great spring health longevity tea. As we're approaching the springtime, it's getting warmer. This is a great tea that you can drink every day. You can put it in your thermos and add hot water throughout the day. So really, this is called the Spring 8 Treasure Health Tea. So these herbal ingredients together just help with your immunity because of the changing weather, right? It's getting, some days are warm, some days are cold. This really helps with promoting your immune system, preventing illness in the body, and also just preventing any kind of like digestion issues. So I'm going to talk about the base of the tea first. So green tea, great for clearing heat, promoting digestion, refreshes the mind. Who doesn't love some green tea? So green tea is great for the base of this spring health tea. Then we have the Gou Hua. So Gou Hua is chrysanthemum flower. This is the dry chrysanthemum flower that actually in China they love drinking this during the springtime. So again, this is great for clearing heat. And what I mean by clearing heat is, right, we get a lot of allergies during the springtime. So this is actually really good for itchy eyes, runny nose, sneezing. So Gou Hua is great for that, the chrysanthemum, and its best friend is the goji berry. So again, goji berry is great for eye health, like itchy eyes, also helps nourish the blood and the energy. Then we have this really cool herb. This one's called Bai Mu Er. So again, this is helps the lung function, nourishes the fluids in the body. Then one of my favorites is the Daoist, the Hongzao, the dates. So the dates, the Hongzao is really great for calming the mind, nourishing blood for the body. Then we have this special herb. So this is called Jin Yin Hua. It is the honeysuckle flower. And this herb actually there's been research showing antiviral properties. It helps also clear heat or any kind of itchiness in the eyes, clears fevers. It also helps prevent upper respiratory tract infection, which is really great for the the fluctuating weather changes in the springtime. So Jin Yin Hua, really great for this type of weather. Then we have the beautiful Mei Gui Hua. So this is the rosebuds, and it helps with stagnation in the body if you have pain or PMS stuff. This is really great for that, reducing stress. And finally, we have, I think it's called like the Little Prince ginseng root. So this is called Tai Zi Shen. So Tai Zi Shen, it's a very nourishing herb. It's kind of like a tuber. We think of like the sweet potatoes. So they're kind of small. Great for nourishing fluids for the lungs. Also promoting energy, helping with clearing the mind as well. So all these together make the Spring 8 Treasure Health Tea. So how to make it? First, get this fancy teapot. So I just wanted to, this is a great teapot you can use. And again, you refill it throughout the day with hot water, or you can use a thermos. So I like to add quite a bit of green tea. So probably like a spoonful. You can add more or less depending on your caffeine level. Here. And then you can add like 1 or 2 of the dried Gou Hua. Couple pieces, like 3 to 4 of the goji berries. These are sweeter, so if you want a sweeter tea, you can add more. Then about 1 piece of the Bai Mu Er. These are kind of light. I had to break this apart because it came in 1 piece. Then about 2 pieces of the Daoist. And again, if you have like a thermos that's small, you can cut this up too. There's a seed in the middle, so just be aware of that. And then like a pinch of the Jin Yin Hua, little honeysuckle. And then the Mei Gui Hua, the rosebuds. I love this little flower. So a couple pieces of that. And then 2 to 3 pieces of the Tai Zi Shen. So you have this beautiful Spring 8 Treasure Tea. Very colorful. And then you add your hot water here, and you're going to let it steep for about, this is a longer steep than regular tea, so about 10 minutes. And then after 10 minutes, you can enjoy throughout the day, and more hot water, share with your friends and family to help promote their health. And there you have it, the Spring A Treasure Health Tea. All right. Some wonderful tea. There you go. I'll try this out.